Question 1. 18 plus 49 plus 32. To solve this equation through mental strategies, we are going to use place value. Step 1. Write your equation with all the numbers aligned into their correct values. This sum will have two columns, the tens, which has been marked with a T, and the ones, which has been marked with an O. Now that we can see our values in the two columns, we are going to split them into two different equations. This will create a simpler form to solve the equation. We have two sums. One is our tens values being added together, and our second sum is our one values being added together. Our first sum will be 10 plus 40 plus 30. And this can be further simplified by removing the zeros to make the sum 1 plus 4 plus 3, which equals 8. Now don't forget to add that 1 again that we removed, giving us the number 80. The 8 is in the tens and the 0 is in the ones. Our second sum, adding the ones, gives us 8 plus 9 plus 2, which totals 19, with the 9 in the ones column and the 1 in the tens column. Now that we have our two values, we need to add them together to get our final answer. 80 plus 19, 0 plus 9 will be 9, 8 plus 1 in the tens will make it 90. Now don't forget to show your answer answering the original equation. Therefore, 18 plus 49 plus 32 equals 99. And above your answer, you will have all your working out. Question 4. A cake recipe asks for 700 milliliters of milk. How many cakes can somebody make with 3.5 liters of milk? To solve this through mental strategies, we are going to firstly write all the information we need and what we know is true. What we know is that one cake equals 700 milliliters of milk. And what we need to know is how many cakes 3.5 liters makes. The first thing I notice is that our numbers 3.5 liters and 700 milliliters are in different units. So we need to put them into the same unit. If 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter, how many milliliters will 3.5 liters make? It will make 3,500 milliliters. Now that we know how many milliliters and how many milliliters here we have, we are going to do a visual representation. Let's start by creating 4 different bars to represent 3,500 milliliters of milk. Each bar has 10 lines and each rectangle will equal 100 milliliters. Let's see how many colors we can use. Coloring in 7 bars at a time will equal our amount. Let's grab a group of pencils and begin coloring. That is one lot. That is a second group of 700 mils. Grabbing a third color. Now we're going to grab a fourth color. That was 5. So now we're going to fill the remainder 2 on the top of another color. Now we've got some spaces at the top. Let's see how many times we can fit yellow in. This is 3. This is also 3. And with 1 bar remaining, that makes 7. Let's count how many colors we used. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And they all fit in evenly. So we know that 700 mils can fit 5 times into 3,500 milliliters. But let's not forget, you need to show your answer answering the original question. So, therefore, with 3.5 liters of milk, someone can make 5 cakes.